This chicken pepper soup tastes really good, so watch till the end because this video is very detailed. So these are the ingredients you need. Please check the description box. All ingredients are listed there. In a clean pot, add your chicken. I'm using soft chicken for this. Then add your chopped onions, roughly blended pepper, add ginger and garlic, add Cameroon pepper, your pepper soup spice, add salt and your seasoning cubes. Then mix everything, combine everything well, then cover and let it bring out its own juice before you add water. After 10 minutes, mix together again, add some water, then cover it again, let it cook for another 10 minutes. If you are using hard chicken, please cook for up to about 30 minutes for hard chicken. So after the second 10 minutes, add parsley leaves. It's also called scent leaves. Yorubas call it efinrin and the Igbos call it ishaum. I don't know if I pronounced that well. You can just call it scent leaves sha when you go to the market. So you will let it cook for just 1 minute after adding the scent leaf. Then turn off the heat immediately after 1 minute. Guys, if you try this recipe, you come back and say thank you. In fact, you're welcome in advance. You can also use this same ingredients and any protein of your choice for other type of pepper soup, either goat meat, assorted, or fish pepper soup, anyone. This recipe is very easy and it tastes really good. Trust me, you will like it. In fact, you will fall in love with it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.